Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss a topic profoundly changing how we work: agentic workflows, or agentic workflows. We'll explore how this technology shifts the human role from a passive operator to an active architect, and how it will reshape future work models and organizational forms. This talk has 5 parts. First, we'll review automation's history to understand the context for agentic workflows. Then we'll dive into the core role shift this change brings. Next, we'll analyze the technical architecture behind it. After that, real cases will show its business value. Finally, we'll look ahead to building the future-ready agent organization. Let's first review our context. In the past, we relied on traditional automation like RPA. Like a precise Swiss watch, they are highly efficient at fixed, repetitive tasks. But this efficiency has a cost. Their rigidity and rule dependence leave them struggling in a complex, changing real world. This diagram shows a typical RPA flow, every step preset, lacking flexibility. Now we welcome the dawn of agentic workflows. This is no longer simple rule execution but true intelligence emerging. As IBM and Slack define it, it is an AI agent-driven, goal-oriented autonomous process. Its core traits include autonomous decision-making, context awareness, goal orientation, adaptability, and human-AI collaboration. This marks automation's evolution from tool to team member. So how do agentic workflows work? Their core is a sense-reason-act closed loop. First, the agent senses the environment and gathers information, then it reasons with an LLM, analyzing the situation and making a plan. Next, it acts, calling various tools to complete tasks. Finally, it learns and iterates from results. This loop gives AI human-like adaptability, as the React paradigm in this diagram shows. The most core impact of this technological change is the shift in the human role. In the past, we were all operators executing fixed processes day after day. Now AI is taking over this repetitive work, and our role is shifting to architect. As architects, we no longer press the button ourselves, we design the whole system, defining goals, processes, and success criteria. This is a fundamental shift from execution to design. To become a qualified architect, we need 4 new core skills. First, task decomposition. Like this work breakdown structure chart, we break complex goals into small AI executable tasks. Second, context architecture. Like a detailed briefing for a new hire, telling AI what to know and which rules to follow, as this system context diagram shows, clearly defining system boundaries and interactions. The other 2 skills matter equally. Third is output evaluation. We can't blindly trust AI output. We must judge and verify, like this reviewer supervising AI's work. Fourth, and critically, is knowing when to stop, knowing when not to use AI. This requires human judgment, staying cautious in originality in high-risk domains. This is where human wisdom is irreplaceable. Next, let's look deeper at the technical architecture of agentic workflows. It comprises several core components: the LLM as the brain, the AI agent as the executor, and various tools that let agents interact with the world. Technologies like RAG enhance LLM output by retrieving real-time info, greatly improving accuracy. Together with feedback loops and multi-agent collaboration, they form a powerful, flexible system. These components are integrated into mainstream frameworks like LangChain and Crew AI, making multi-agent systems easier to build. This diagram shows a typical multi-agent collaboration architecture where different agents each do their job like a virtual team. Meanwhile, tools like Slack Agentforce seamlessly embed these capabilities into our daily workflows, putting AI agents within reach. Theory done, let's see real applications. Agentic workflows already show huge value across industries. In IT support, agents auto-handle large ticket volumes, freeing people. In marketing and sales, AI becomes data analyst and strategist, optimizing campaigns and insighting customers so teams focus on strategy and relationships. In HR, AI can automate tedious onboarding for a smoother new hire experience. In manufacturing, AI enables predictive maintenance to avoid shutdowns. And in financial services, Deloitte even envisions an end-to-end AI concierge-led process from property recommendation to contract drafting, with human experts focusing on oversight and high-level judgment. This points to a highly intelligent service future. In summary, agentic workflows bring multifaceted core value to enterprises. They raise efficiency, free people for more valuable work, and accelerate decisions so firms respond faster to market change. Most importantly, they deliver scaled performance exponential output via workflow re-engineering instead of just adding people. To truly embrace agentic workflows, enterprises need systemic change and must build the agent organization. Per McKinsey, this starts from 5 pillars: business model, operating model, governance, talent culture, and technical/data architecture. This chart compares paradigms across eras, clearly showing we stand at the start of a new one, needing to fundamentally rethink how organizations operate. Deloitte also points out several key shifts in enterprise transformation. The core is moving from tech-driven to human-centered, treating AI as a partner that augments human ability. We must redesign roles and business models to natively support human-AI collaboration. The key to growth is no longer simple headcount expansion but work re-engineering. Meanwhile, organizational culture must become more agile, trusting, and eager to learn. These shifts are not empty talk, they rest on solid data. IDC warns AI skill shortage could cause up to $5.5 trillion in economic loss. Meanwhile, Deloitte predicts agentic AI could bring a 10x productivity leap. The data tells us embracing agentic workflows is not just a tech choice but a strategic decision about future competitiveness. In short, agentic workflows is a powerful force reshaping the essence of work. It liberates us from operator to become architect. This demands that both individuals and organizations evolve. The future is already here. Enterprises that successfully build the agent organization will stand out and win in the AI era competition. That concludes my talk. Thank you all for listening. I hope today's content brings you some inspiration. Thank you.